Key lock on your washing machine. What is it and how do you use it? What is it for? Well, it is a setting that you can enable here on your washing machine in order to disable the panel over here. So this is also commonly known as a child lock, and it pretty much looks like either a lock like this. You can also see it as a key, or CL for, well, child lock. So it varies a little between washing machines how you enable the key lock. This is an Electrolux, and on this one what we need to do here is that we need to hold in two buttons at the same time. So that will be the pre-wash and the easy wash. So 1, 2, 3, and you can see there the key lock is enabled, and now we can't really do anything on the washing machine here while it is enabled. Obviously this is to prevent settings from being changed while the washing machine is running. Sometimes, for example, if you have a little children running around, maybe they want to click a little bit on the washer, or perhaps you have something falling down on it that will change it by mistake. So this is going to stay active now. If you see here, I turn off the washing machine, turn it back on, and the key lock is still enabled. So you actually need to disable this in order to make it go away. And you do this by holding in the same two buttons as you enable it with for 3 seconds. And there you can see it is gone again. No more key lock, and now you will be able to change all the settings here at your however you please. If you're unable to disable the key lock for some reason, perhaps you have a problem with your washing machine, you can try to unplug it. That may help to actually hard reset it. But other than that, using these buttons. So as you can imagine, this is a very useful setting for in certain situations. It is made to keep you and the people around you safe, as well as your washing machine intact. So let me go about showing you here how you would step by step load your washing machine and turn on the key lock here. So first of all, we're going to start the washing machine. We also need to load the clothes and load the detergent. From here, we're going to pick the program that we want to use and make sure that it has the correct settings that we want. Perhaps make that a little bit shorter. Anyway, so at this point you want to start your washer. Now, this is the part where you can see now the tub is also locked there. And now we can press the key lock 1, 2, 3, and as you will see, now you can't, everything is locked. So you will need to disable this now before you can again use the panel on your washer. Anyway, I know this is a little bit of a short video here today. I hope you still enjoyed it. This has been a lot of fun to make these daily videos. If you want to see more of that, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to add a link here to some other really cool washing machine settings that you can check out. Peace.